Hello everyone. Welcome back to HBS Views Info, your channel to learn, speak, and practice English through real-life stories and meaningful conversations. Every parent teaches their child life lessons, sometimes through rules that may feel annoying. But behind those small rules lie big reasons that can save lives or even change society. In today's English practice session, we bring you one such touching conversation between a caring father and his curious daughter, Meera. Through their talk, we'll learn the importance of safety and equality while improving our pronunciation, expression, and confidence in English. So, let's begin this beautiful story.
Appa, why do you always force me to wear a seatbelt? It feels tight and uncomfortable.
Meera, do you know what happens in an accident if you don't wear a seatbelt? Your body gets thrown forward with such force that you can hit the dashboard, or even fly out of the car.
But Appa, we don't even drive fast. And anyway, isn't the airbag enough?
That's a common myth, my dear. Airbags protect you only when the seatbelt is on. Without it, the airbag can actually hurt you. The seatbelt holds you in place, while the airbag protects you from the impact. Both work together to save lives.
I didn't know that. But what about people in the back seat? I thought only the front passengers needed seatbelts.
No, Meera. In a crash, an unbelted person in the back can be thrown forward with such force that they can injure, or even kill, the person sitting in front. Seatbelts are for everyone in the car.
So, seatbelts are like helmets for cars?
Exactly. They may feel tight for a few minutes, but they hold your entire life together. Many people regret not wearing one only after it's too late.
Then from today, I won't even let the car move until everyone's seatbelt is on.
That's my girl. Responsible and safe, that's how we travel.
As the car moves ahead, Meera keeps thinking about what her father said. She realizes that safety is not about comfort. It's about care. A few days later, another conversation with her father opens her eyes to a different kind of safety, the safety of equality. Evening time. Meera and her father sit watching the news on TV showing a woman pilot flying a plane.
Appa, women are doing such amazing things these days. But why do some people still think girls can't do what boys do?
Because for centuries, Meera, women were not given equal chances. They were told to stay home, while men went out to study or work. But times have changed now.
Really? Can you give me some examples?
Of course. Kalpana Chawla went all the way to space. Kiran Bedi became India's first woman IPS officer. And Mary Kom, she fought her way to become a world boxing champion. They all proved that talent has no gender.
That's amazing. So boys and girls should be treated equally, in school, in jobs, and even at home, right?
Absolutely. Equality begins at home. When we share respect and responsibilities, we create a fairer world for everyone.
That's amazing. So boys and girls should be treated equally, in school, in jobs, and even at home, right?
Absolutely. Equality begins at home. When we share respect and responsibilities, we create a fairer world for everyone.
That evening, Meera learned two unforgettable lessons from her father. One about protecting life, and another about respecting life. A seatbelt saves your body in an accident, and equality saves society from injustice. Both are simple acts, yet both can change lives forever.
A seatbelt may feel tight for a few minutes.
But it can hold your life together.
And equality may take time to grow.
But it can hold the world together.
So buckle up, stand up, and make life safe and fair for everyone.